Good morning, guys. This is Alan here, and we'll be going over some trades I took today. Yesterday we had a little loss, nothing to be worried about. Came back today, came out swinging. Nothing too crazy, no crazy risk. I'm not gonna expose myself to something like that. But I do want to go over some of the trades I took. I did take one in London, and I also took one in the also PM session. So we're gonna go over the London one first. So I'm gonna just do executions, all right? So for the London, as you guys can see, this is on the 1 minute. Um, so I shorted it first earlier, and then as price came up higher and higher, I'm looking for this to be another short entry above price. Price manipulates higher. I'm like, okay, it is what it is. Um, Price drops lower aggressively. I close out one position, one contract here, right? Price retraces. I shorted again. A little bit of accumulation here again. Nothing too crazy. Drops lower again. Came back down to this level. I decided to close out my trade here. Um, so this was the first trade of the on Friday. All right, so I shorted off the rip. It ran a little bit higher, nothing too crazy. Dropped lower, retrace, dropped lower again. I'm looking for it to continue going lower. Eventually came lower towards these levels that I was drawing to. The reason why I closed early too was because I was like, maybe it would just consolidate after taking out its own low here and then wait until AM to move. But as you can see, it just started tanking lower, lower, lower. And then when it got to AM, it kind of just didn't do much right here. So that's why I said I waited for PM. So this is the first London trade. And then as soon as PM comes around, as you guys can see, so this is the lunch right here. I took one short lunch when price take out those highs here, drops lower, traded out. I'm looking for it to run like below this level here and somewhere into this down candle. So when price retraced, I shorted, dropped slower, about 19 handles, almost 20 handles. So this is a very, very solid trade here. So shorted this 19 handles-ish, done. Next trade retraces higher, short this in this inefficiency right here, into this order block, short that, drops lower, takes out the lows here, drops very, very aggressively lower. Once it takes out the lows here, I get out. As you can see, my exit was basically out at the lows when it takes out the lows. Um, but yeah, ultimately want to see it continue for this low year, ideally, 1601, 1602, around there. 19603, my bad, 19603, 19602. Just as long as it comes out to the bodies, I'm cool with that. But I won't be participating anymore, and this is good enough for me. Right, I took 3 trades, 3 wins, and yeah, the count's back up at 156, 60, 653. So very, very solid. Nothing too crazy, 2200 today. Lost 3 yesterday, so good little win to get back. But yeah, that should wrap up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Appreciate the gentleman in the comment, right? He's been with me since for a minute. I appreciate you. You know who you are. For supporting me. All right. One of the first comments I got in a minute, besides ICT's comment. But yeah, I really appreciate that. Like you know, it reminded me like, hey, when it's down, it's not always that bad, right? You'll be able to get back and then continue to push. All right, so went back, look at these really, really solid trades. 19 handles got out, basically got at the low. You guys can see that turned, traded here, got this low here. Just letting it move for now. It could continue going higher. I think that's what it wants to do. Um, but regardless of that, I'm still looking for it to go lower. But as of right now, if it takes out this high or even takes out this high here, I, my analysis has changed. If it takes out this high here, I want to see a turtle soup. Very simple. But I don't want to even see this high get taken out. So if it does get taken out and it's a Friday, it's kind of yucky in my opinion. So maybe you can just turn from this level here, like turn from this level here and then drop lower, take out this low here. That could be another trade. If you guys see this video, you guys participated in, that's great if it does do that. If it doesn't, it is what it is, right? Just as long as you manage your risks, you should be fine. But yeah, like I said, this is gonna wrap up today's video. This is gonna wrap up this week, right? The week was very, very solid besides that one loss yesterday. So we still made progress, which I'm really, really happy about. And yeah, that should be it. Hope I see you guys. I hope I'll see you guys next week. Not hope I'll see you guys next week. And yeah, good luck and good trading. Stay safe, right? Enjoy your weekend. I know the market's a little kind of a little wonky right now, but just take your time, be safe with it. be a little bit more conservative with exits. As you can see, I'm not holding for full profit down here, even though I'm looking for this level or this level here. I'm saying, hey, you know, this should have ran lower, a little deeper, in my opinion, and this move here should have definitely sent it lower. But since it did not, it kind of gave me, like, you know, my spider senses or whatever, my trader senses are like, oh, let's just call it a day here. This is very, very solid too. This is about 20, 21 handles, 661 to 38, about 40, 22, 23 handles. Very, very solid. So 20 handles here or 19 handles here, 20 something handles here, about 40 handles for a day on one contract. And yeah, about to count back up a little bit, nothing to be worried about. And yeah, just stay focused, continue to work. And yeah, let's see what we can get to before the end of this year. But yeah, with that, hope you guys see you guys next video. Peace. Good luck in good trading, you guys.